Okay, so you go here, go to source, download source tree. So you'll get this. Okay, obviously you will get this downloaded source tree. Okay, that is so Git is like command line based, but we can use it in our like external tool also.
Oh,
Okay.
it's got like visual interface and all, is
Yes.
it? Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Okay. So it will be good. So this is the way normally I will use.
Oh,
Okay. But I'll show you. I'll just show you how it works. Just I'll show you, but I'll show you a better option. Okay. So let me open this any of this stuff. So see this. So example, where is my framework? No. Where's my framework? Open. Oh, bye. See you. Okay, so this is my framework.
What did you set up?
So normal, what happens is, see, Git is all about your branches. Normally, by default, you will have a master branch.
Okay.
Okay, by default, you will have the master branch. Okay, and your GitHub is a cloud based repository system. It's a cloud based, means everything will be in the cloud. All the code will be in the cloud. Okay, right now if you see, you can see that there is a lot of projects. Example, say this VNS project. Okay, so this is the actual project homepage. Okay, so project homepage ideally should have the basic format, that source and pom.xml.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so ideally you will have only one branch. You don't worry about multiple branches. Okay, at all. Normally this is the URL that you need to think. This is the URL. Okay, basically this is the URL. Okay, you can copy it. Okay, and you can what you can do is normally is like source tree. You put your new repository, clone from URL. That's what you need to do, and you paste it.
How do you paste this around there?
so what's the difference between source tree and GitHub?
See, source tree is a tool. GitHub is a repository. Source tree is interface to talk to GitHub.
Okay.
GitHub is a repository.
It's like a Cucumber and BDD.
Yeah. So to GitHub, see, there is a little bit difference between Git and GitHub. GitHub is an open source. Everybody can use it. Git is only for the internal company purpose. Okay. So normally companies will use Git internally, but some companies who still want to use cloud-based solution, they use GitHub. Okay. So GitHub is a free source, but if it is company, it's a different thing. But it's a free source for us. And what we have to always think about is GitHub. You will get a URL. That is the main thing. If somebody had ask in a company, they ask you take the code from GitHub, then first question you need to ask is give the URL. Okay, so I'm just
then you yeah.
Okay, so this is the URL.
Then you clone that one.
Are there any other alternatives to source tree, sir? Any other alternatives?
I'll tell you. There are other alternatives. There's no big thing, but IntelliJ itself will have that. I'll show you that. That's what will come. So it's itself. See,
what's the VCS, sir?
VCS is version controlling system.
Yes.
Oh, version control system. Okay.
Yeah. So from GitHub straight away we can do it. From IntelliJ. That's the reason why I always encourage IntelliJ.
Oh, so with Eclipse we don't have that option.
That's why sir said this is the advanced.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
You don't understand, what's happening. It's auto, the correcting tools in there as well, isn't it? That's why like other people are telling us, use IntelliJ. Use Eclipse.
Yeah. What's the difference even why you prefer to use? We can say I prefer IntelliJ because of this advanced.
Ripple Road.
Raj, do you have a pen? Spare pen.
Spare.
Mine,
Yes. Here.
So make sure this video doesn't get the break.
Okay. So now I'm just creating example. I create one thing called students. Okay. This is a folder I'm creating. Okay, and then I create one thing called Git, just like creating. Okay, so I open this. So now I'm telling that in this URL, download my code into this particular path. So you need to create one folder so that in your directory you have a safe place where you have all Git repositories. Okay. Now I could put on clone, means it will start downloading it. Okay. If it is not downloading, if it's asking for security, then everybody should have a GitHub account. Okay. If you don't have, go and register. Just go to GitHub, sign out. Ideally, all our code is so free. Everybody can download it. But ideally, it will be good you create your own username, okay, account, so that I will put your account into my thing, so that you will get additional privileges. Okay.
Okay. So if you have an account, then you can safeguard it.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. My phone. So it will ask for dual authentication because my company have the dual authentication code. Okay, I got mine. That's fine. So this is dual authentication. I think you people don't need it or not need, but in your company if they ask, so you need to get that authentication code.
Pay if you have to create an account, sir?
No, it's free.
It's a free source.
Okay, so I'll get a code like banking code. Okay.
Digit code. So on your phone they send as a text.
No, it is it's like text or it's like.
Your app on.
Yeah, so like this.
Is it GitHub app as well, sir?
No. It is a Duo app. This one thing called Duo. So you will get your random codes in that.
Okay, for anything or just for GitHub, sir?
Just for GitHub. Okay. So I have all these repositories. You don't see my one. My one is too complicated. I have a lot of things. Okay. So this is the home page, and I have now cloned my home page. See this. This is the source tree open thing. Okay. So now what happened? Ideally, you should be in master branch. Okay. And your working copy is nothing but see what it is showing is this is the difference between your master branch in the cloud and your local machine. Ideally, you have a local machine. It have the code in local machine. It have some code in the cloud. So now what it is showing is this. Now it is showing what is the difference between your local directory and your repository. So these two files are different. So if you see the base test, you can see this line, right?
Yeah.
So if I go to code, see I can see the code from here also. Okay. So example, I go to test Java Venus regression, test Java Venus regression. So this is what the file I'm doing, base test, right? See. Okay. Latest code. Let me pull. Give me one second.
The green color is what is missing, or
Green color is what is got added.
newly added.
Yeah, and red color is what it is deleted. Okay. See this.
That
This
is
the
a cloud.
difference.
That was not in local machine. That was in the cloud.
This is the difference between cloud and your local machine.
Oh, okay.
The red
Okay.
color is what we have.
Yeah.
In local machine.
Yeah. So if you see this, 23 static boolean. Okay, I think it is just give me 1 second. I think it's in right. I think it is. Okay, let me see this. Normally you should see a difference. Okay, so master. Not like this. Okay, let us do one thing. Let us modify something. Okay, it will be you will understand it. So where is the code? So this code, where I downloaded it is I downloaded it in one particular folder, right? So let me open this. Okay. Okay, students. So this is the folder. It got downloaded now. Okay. So you need to select the mother folder and click on open. So now that will get opened. This window. Okay. Skip. Okay, so it opened, right? So now okay, so example, if I go to any of the switcher file, for an example, accounts, okay, something is there. Okay, so now I put something like a new line called test. Okay, what is the line number? Line number is 3. Okay, now my local code and the actual code is different. So I did some code change. Now see if you go to this working copy, see this, it's showing the differences.
In the green.
It's saying that that particular file got difference between you and your master. So this is the difference.
So when you the edit and do that, and when you commit that code again, so does it overwrite or does it the make another folder?
No, it overwrites.
It overwrites.
We have
every time.
it's alright. So we haven't got till the commit. Okay, this is the difference. So this is, you can see. So normally what happens? Example, you added a new scenario. Okay, so example, Varsha Tyler. Okay, so example, she added a new scenario. Okay, so I uncommented this. Okay, now I did my work. You done your work, but parallelly other people will also be doing some work.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is the way. That's a tricky thing in version controlling. Okay, so now what always you need to do is you need to pull the code. Actually, you need to pull means whenever you do a commit, first of all make sure that you pull the code, and when the pull code, what happens? It actually try to download that particular copy, and it will try to merge automatically. Okay, if you have two files. Okay, so example I'll show you for you.
Anything recently been changed? The change over the GitHub on a master copy and the one on your local machine get merged.
Okay, see it's what I will do is I will just put my name. Okay, okay, I did. I will change it. Okay, let's commit the changes. Okay, now what happens? So now see this beautiful thing. Now what happens? Don't worry about this. This is YML file. Don't worry about it. Okay. So now there is one thing somebody changed in the cloud. You don't know it. If you commit now, it will be a danger. If it is different files, no worry, happy. If you're working on two different files, it will automatically get merged. But you won't get the latest copy. Okay, so always you have to get the latest copy, and your changes have to be merged automatically. Okay, so that's the reason why always before you want to do any changes, pull. So now it will ask where I need to pull. Just the default values. Don't worry about anything else right now. Click on OK. You see this. Okay, if you see this, now see the master branch. Okay, so you can see that I added my name here, right? So this I just updated in the base test. So if you see this, I pulled it, right? You might have not seen it, but it already came. Where is which file I changed? I changed this base test, right?
Yeah, it was in there.
This line, Sriram came, right? Okay, so it automatically came because you are working on two different files. You don't care. But first of all, you need to make sure that you do. But example, you not do it. Example, I put Sriram and I'm directly doing edit in the cloud. I should not do it actually. Okay, you should never do it in the cloud.
In the cloud.
Yeah, there's an option, but we should never do it. Okay, Sriram plus. Okay.
Will anyone get notified if we change like this directly?
Yeah, we will get notified. Yeah.
Like you already use the name.
Yeah. Okay, so now if you want to try to push, so actually the process of committing is the two steps. First of all, you need to commit the code. So it's how it works is, it's a bit complicated, but that's fine. This is a cloud. Okay, and this is your local machine. And you know what happens? This GitHub have one more layer. So actually, in your local example, this local machine, this is a cloud. Normally, this is your code. There is a third thing that you never see, but there is one more place where the code will be stored. So when you commit your code, it will go here. It won't go there. Okay, it will go here. But is that enough for us? No, it should go there. So you need to push. So when committing, you will only commit in the third file, somewhere in the directory. Then you need to do a push. That's the reason why it's two processes. So you need to put it here. That's the reason why if you see here, it will. I will say that new. So you need to put a message, okay? Okay, so it is asking, I'm not doing it right now. Okay, but I need to select which file I want to commit. Okay, I can't commit everything, right? What are the files I want, I will commit. So I committed one file. Okay, and I put a commit. That's it. But now it is asking, you committed it. Because I committed, is there any change happened? If you see the home page, can you see that, is there anything updated?
No.
Just now within seconds?
No. Nothing.
Right? So what we changed is,
2 minutes.
yeah, 2 minutes. That is the thing which I did from the cloud.
Yeah.
But with that XYZ blah 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 message, it's not coming. Why? Because the code went to here. I committed.
Okay.
Okay. Now I should push.
It. Yeah, you haven't pushed
I need to
it.
push. If I push, it will ask where you need to push. Click on this. See, now it will fail. Why it's failed?
Actually, it is pull replacement. So as I remember when you explained that when you have to commit it to GitHub, you need to ask for pull command, and when you have to download, then that time it is a push command.
Absolutely forgot about that. That's a different thing. Pull request is different.
Okay.
Completely, that is different. You should not worry about it. That will make you things confused. Okay, we are talking about the basics of Git, nothing to do with pull request. Okay, so we committed it. Okay, and we are trying to push, but it is saying that I can't do it. Why? Because see, saying that if you remember, we did that plus change, but we did not pull.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
We done on local.
Yeah. So means somebody else had did some changes here. So we have not got this.
Okay.
So now these two are fighting. He's saying I want my commit and you have something else. So this is the main important thing. You should always sync with your current database. It is not in sync. It went away happily. But when it's trying to contract, this guy is saying there is some other update here. I can't.
Before pushing it, you need to the pull.
Always, that is the point. You need to pull. That's the thing. If you don't pull,
it can only be done once you commit it. So first step is commit and then pull.
Yeah.
So, and then where is integrate, sir?
No. First
is commit
there are
and
three
then
things.
push.
Again, I'm telling you. First pull.
Yeah.
Commit, push. Pull, commit, push.
Pull,
P.
commit, push. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We not do a pull. That's the reason why it is conflicting. Okay.
Okay.
Now you push.
Pull, that means you're fetching the data, and then
say if
commit,
I have a new
and
account,
then
sir,
you push.
there's nothing to pull, right? But still have to pull it. Is it? If they have new account,
Whatever, it is always good
always
to
you have
pull.
to pay out. Pull first.
Yeah,
Pull and then push. Now see, it is struggling now because I did small wrong. Okay, so I will merge it somehow. I'll do. This is don't worry about this. It never happen. Okay, this is.
It's a fatal.
Yeah,
It's going to die.
Yeah, because see, this is one pull request and one push request, so it is like conflicting. Okay, so what I need to do is, you should know how to have normal happen. That kind of risks is what we need to take care. Okay, so this is that commit. This is this commit. Okay, so I'm just merging it. Okay. This commit you change before you merge.
Oh, that means you haven't merged, then you cannot even.
Yeah, this bit pains. That's the reason why I never do that. That is the biggest risk. That's the reason why I was now not encouraging. But that's the reason why if you pull it, you'll see. If you pull it, you know what happened. If you pull it, even though there is a problem, you can locally merge it. You know how not have problem. You know what happened. Now this guy is okay. This guy is okay. Now these two are fighting. If you pull, then what happens? This code will come and these two guys will fight, but that's fine. This you can easily merge. But somewhere in the cloud, people are now things are fighting. That's the problem. So which I will, which is a little bit problem, but I will.
Okay, it's pull, commit, and push. That's it.
It's kind of like it's fetching the data, then
Merging
you have to
them.
commit. That means whatever you've done,
merging.
you commit there, and then push. That means you just
Push
you will
new
last.
one.
Yeah, that way it's easier to remember.
So once you push it, then it
It
gets
will
integrated
sync.
and then goes and settles
Yeah.
inside.
Yeah.
Okay. That is a problem, but don't worry. This is fat.
So whatever you pull, it get the change everything on your local, whatever you made it. So everything came out.
It's not so complicated. I just shown you a very unhappy path, which you will never do it. Okay. So but don't worry
That was
about
one
it.
of the question as well. What's the unhappy part?
Unhappy.
Yeah,
these
that
are
was
these
in
negative
the
scenarios
question.
and edge cases.
So I
That's
say
what I mean.
unhappy path, and it's just clicked in my mind.
Yeah, happy path are positive scenarios. Unhappy are negative scenarios.
Okay. Now for somehow it's saved. Okay.
Artisan account. Do we need
Atlassian account.
Yeah, Atlassian. We need Atlassian account. Is it?
Yeah, already
For
started.
GitHub.
Jira.
Yes, sir.
That's Jira. Okay.
Jira.
Okay, guys. Somehow I managed to do something. Okay. So now my merge will be back. Okay. See now.
Merge.
Okay, it's merged. Okay, somehow it's got merged, and you can see my all the changes here. Okay.
So on the tree, you can see all the new changes, whatever you made.
Yeah.
Every time.
Okay. I'm telling again and again for you. I'll show you the normal process. I'll show you what will happen if you did something dodgy. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll show you if you're doing something proper. Okay. Example, I put sample plus. Okay. This is something I'm doing in the cloud. Means
the cloud,
I'm trying to emulate somebody else had did a change.
Okay.
Okay. I'm emulating that Moksha did a change.
Yeah.
Then I am Rajesh now. Okay. Now I'm Rajesh. So I will go to my code and do some 100 pluses. Okay. And now see, it will show my. Okay, so changes. Okay, so this is the change. You can see that, right? This green is what I changed. Red is what I deleted. Okay. It's there. Now, that is wrong. I should not do anything because I am ready to commit. But before that, I need to
You need to pull, right?
pull.
Yeah.
Do this. Okay, and click on OK. Now what happens? Okay. Now everything is fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see that the changes came. You won't see anything coming up. But if you see the math, if you see this, you can see that somebody changed. See, I did just update it. Okay. But you won't see anything. Now with pull, immediately try to push. Now go to commit.
First commit, yeah.
Okay, do some message and put on commit. Okay, now it will see that push. This is a two process. Then you click on push. It will ask for branch. Click on OK. That's it. Okay, now you have to go to cloud and make sure that it is properly coming. See, 14 seconds back. Yes, not already. That is a normal process. Okay. Okay, so that is the way you need to do. But I don't want you to get confused with a lot of things. If you are able to do it, do it. If you get confused, if you got a problem, okay. So what you normally have to do is, so that is the process actually. You need to create a pull request. So normally, what you people have to do is, now I will create one particular branch, one particular code. Now I will. You people you need to have your own accounts. You need to fork from my particular project to your project.
Okay.
Fork means you need to take a copy of it into your repository. Okay. Then in your repository nobody will touch, right? So now you clone your repository, just the thing that I did. You start doing your coding. Okay. And once it is done, then commit it. Nobody will push into your repository. So you will never get any kind of conflicts. You commit it. After committing, I'll show you. Okay, now let us emulate this. Open your laptop. Okay, so first of all, let me create a repository for you.
You just follow the way Sarah has created. Just create an account
for
now.
me it's okay.
So at least you know
It's done.
No, why it's so?
Login. I don't need all this, right? Use an existing account. I'll go to my.
You have GitHub account?
No, sir, I don't have it. I need
First
to
of all, create that. Then only you can do this. Okay. Okay, so the thing is for you people.
Prerequisite.
Yeah.
So your batch is Sun batch, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm creating the repository.
You can download. You Google it, right? To download, right?
Which
To
one?
create an account.
GitHub.
Yeah.
Yeah, just Google GitHub. Pick up, sign up. Username.
You won't be able to.
Raj is
There's
already
many
taken.
Raj.
It's okay. I'll put Raj.
Username is already.
Okay, so I created a repository, and which project I need to put in the repository?
Whichever the latest service.
I don't know, yours or yours. I don't know which one you want. You decide. I will go.
I have sent it to you, sir.
Okay. Can you go from the gate? This one.
Git.
Not Git. Gate.
So where is Git? You said in the cloud.
Yeah, it's the cloud only.
Why is it showing problem? Login may
Okay,
contain
so
only alphabetic.
yeah, one of them. I don't know what one.
So this one I said choose, right? Free GitHub.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, which project I need to put?
You can.
It's fine, sir. Yeah.
I think you have that complex data tables and all, right?
Yeah, scenario outline one.
Verify email.
One.
Okay, you're
Yes,
okay.
sir. Yeah, it's
I've
fine,
got
sir.
only
Yeah.
one.
Okay, so I am
Okay,
putting
let's get started.
her project. Your project that you sent is this one, right?
Yeah. It's called something N13. Oh, I'll do it at home. Leave it.
Okay, you create it because I just want to emulate. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So this is the project, right? Oh my god, got this open to do it properly. Your Java template, choose. Is it okay this one, or you have anything else?
No, that's the one.
This is the one.
Still, it's the same one, sir, which you opened earlier.
Did you send one more, right?
Yeah, I sent it. It's the one. Which I just sent it.
Okay, I think I'll just copy this and put it there. Okay, I'm believing you now. Okay.
Yeah, that's the 13 one. That's the one which I. That's why I just put the.
13 is the correct one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will copy this and I will put it into. Hi Surya. How are you? How are you? How is your family? Okay, so students. Okay, students and get some. Okay.
So the changes which you made in UTL. Yeah, UTL something you used it, isn't it? Yeah, utils and then. What was the thingy? I tried to understand that which you corrected actually, but I couldn't.
Okay, so I'll delete this now. Okay, so now if you see this, there are a lot of changes. Okay, so I'm just basically I'm starting from scratch. I'm putting this back. Okay, and I ignored this. Ideally, we should only put pom.xml and your a source. This is what should be there in your
In the GitHub.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm creating this. What I'm doing now. Push it because push commit. Okay. So commit changes. Initial push. Okay. I'm just directly doing it. This step, if you do this, it will directly go. 2 steps will happen straight away.
Oh, okay. It's kind of like shortcut.
Yeah, shortcut. But you don't need to do it because you are learning, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can see that the code will be coming here. Perfect, right? So this is your super duper code, which is already there. Within 2 minutes we kept. Okay. So now what he have to do is, first of all, you have to go to your account. Adesh, what happened?
This one is asking. So, okay, so my account is here. Okay. Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, very good. I'll give a URL.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Otherwise, I'll type. Okay. See this. We are in this thing. So this is what you people have to do. Okay. So now you have to type my, which I will give. Okay. Dot sun dot. go to this repository. Okay, you can see the same thing.
Oh, you can like.
Okay.
It's like anyone can access like internally. Like this is how we're going to have in actual office.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay, so go to GitHub. Okay, now you need to go and fork it. I will not fork. You have to fork it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
fork it. So now it will get you will get a copy in your repository now.
Okay.
What
Fork in
he
the
did?
sense I pulled it, right?
Yeah. So now it's like Rajasthan.
Okay.
You haven't
Yeah.
pulled it. Fork is nothing but it's like parallel stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Chapatia.
So like for keeping in
Hypercurrent ఇంట్లోనే
GitHub in cloud, first is pull, then
ఏమైంది?
commit, and then push, right? And if it is other way around, like first time if we have to get from
మీ ఇంట్లో అయ్యప్ప గారి ఇంట్లోనే.
is it
ఓకే.
opposite,
That's what I was going to ask.
push, commit, and then pull.
Hello. Okay. So that's the thing. Okay. So
Okay,
now
so fork.
he forked it. If you fork, you will get Sarika/Sun, and you will get whatever your name got /Sun. Okay. So Chitali, you're missing the actual heart.
Click on port, right?
Okay. So
What option was that? I didn't see exactly.
okay. So again, I'm doing. It would not happen. Okay. This is my repository. Okay. This is Sangajala. It's better to open Chrome. You have Chrome?
So first
No,
he
sir.
logged in
Yes,
into
ma'am.
his GitHub.
You didn't open it.
Yeah. You open my GitHub and open Sangajala by Sun. You will come here. So this is nothing but this. So now what you have to do is click on fork.
Where is fork?
Here.
It's on the top.
Fork.
Option 4.
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fork. And now you get a copy of it. Okay. And it will be like this now. Make sure that URL is not as Sangajala. So this is different. This is different.
Yes.
So Rajesh got a
His own.
fork
copy.
of it. A copy of
Okay.
it. Okay. You fork it. Now you will get a different URL, right? You just copy this your GitHub URL. Okay. And go to source tree. Why is it struggling it?
I need to give an account.
GitHub URL. Instance.
Do you have to sign for this?
You put any password. That's fine. But why is asking everything? I don't think so. It is.
You have to
Class
sign
is-
for this as well.
Oh, password strength. Okay.
This is for
Okay.
Continue.
Continue.
GitHub. Okay, you do have username and password?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Cannot run account. Okay. Password. No password. GitHub password. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. So clone repository. So now I'll just skip. Okay. Let us get this. Okay. You'll get this interface. Okay.
clone.
Now click on new repository. Clone from URL. Okay. Click on this, and you'll get this. So copy your thing, not mine.
Okay, whatever you copied from the URL
Yes,
here,
yes.
you just put there.
So
Yeah.
your GitHub. Okay. Not mine. Okay, and path you just put whatever it is. Okay. So just kept this clone. So now you are getting your own thing. Okay. Okay. So now you got your changes. Okay. Now open your IntelliJ. Okay, and open that folder where you got downloaded. Okay, so it is like users/raj/sun. Okay.
Wow. Straight away open. You don't have to do anything. It's the same way like what we open from laptop.
Okay, that's it. Now what happens? Now Raj is happy that he have his own copy. Okay, whatever nonsense he did, that's fine. He can do anything. So example, he want to do this, uncheck it. Okay, so it may be 1 or 2 files. Don't worry about anything, but make sure that at least syntax is correct. Okay. Something he did the code. Okay, so don't need to save. Go to source tree. You can see that your changes are here. Okay, so what are the changes? So don't worry about our YML files and all. Okay, so make sure that you carefully you have to select what are the files that you changed. Okay, so this little bit of UI is not very good. I will show you. It should be a tree view. Okay, like this. Okay, so this UI and all little bit dodgy.
Okay, run test is changed. Okay, these two are yellow ones are changed.
Okay, this so don't commit anything else.
Okay.
In the source, run test is changed, and your things are changed. So just carefully check.
So we haven't deleted it. Said why is it red here?
No. We
made
changed
a change.
it, right?
Oh, we changed it to this
change.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you made a change in yours, so it straight away highlights.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And
it
see,
comes as a green. What we have changed.
changed, yes.
And the red one is already there in a GitHub.
Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so now same thing here. So carefully select each and every file. So now there are 2 files which are staged means which is ready to go. Unstaged means you haven't selected. So staged means which is ready to go. So you are ready to commit. Okay. Now you can click on this. You can click on commit message. Okay. Enter the details of your commit. Okay. It will ask for your some message. Okay. I did one feature file. Something. Okay. Do this. Okay. And you have an option like this. Push to change. Push like this. So the 2-step process we are doing at once. Or you can do it twice also. Now if you do this, it will
Commit and
like
then
this.
you.
But you
Click on
need to pull
push and then you
itself,
need to-
even though.
Yeah, ideally you need to pull. But
because
At the
the first
moment,
time,
no
right,
one is doing it.
nobody in your because I'm trying to mitigate the risk by having your own repository. But I will show how to merge the code. I'll show you. First of all, enter this.
This is again same.
So every time does it ask for when you push or pull?
Yeah, it is a keychain actually. It's not GitHub. But that's fine. Username and password giving not a bad thing, right? Okay. So it went away. So now what you have to do is you need to make sure that the change has come back. So go to your URL and check whether is okay.
Yes.
It came. Okay, 42 seconds back the change was coming. So his commit was ready here. Okay, that is understood.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, it's recording. Understood. So that is the way you need to commit your code. Whether you all people commit. Now how to come here? That's the thing, right?
How to
Okay,
go in on
this
your
is
Yeah,
my
you haven't
personal
pushed
thing,
it.
right?
Personal.
Okay.
So it's saved
yeah.
only in your repository.
Yeah.
It doesn't come up into the actual one.
Actual thing. So now
Oh,
this is the actual one. So it is in your code. You will have your own code, but
Yes.
it's never merged.
Yes.
This is my master code, right?
Yes.
So now you people have to be a little bit careful. One process is done. Make sure that this is done. So we did one big thing. Second big thing is you need to ask me, sir, can you please pull my code, verify if everything is okay, and then merge.
Merged. Okay.
Okay.
So this is kind of like we are showing our work via using GitHub
Yes.
and saying, can you check my work? And if it's okay.
Then
So
you
we
pull it.
don't commit the code actually.
We do commit.
No, we
We
commit the
commit at
code,
our
but
local
we
It's
don't
on
lock.
our own, the GitHub, whatever the
But I think
account in
what I
GitHub
was-
account we
So
we,
who should we
can
send the
push
request
it
to, sir? That would be the team.
Team
I'll tell
lead,
you.
yes.
I'll tell you.
That's what
So
I was discussing. Varsha told me actually when I had a question. Said how we commit, and I said who do, and she said we don't commit the code ourselves. It depends on the company because sometimes lead do it because they have to
Okay.
check.
After review, they will do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can send new pull requests to many people as well in team.
No, you
Or
can
just
only to me. So now see this green color button. So once this is done, click on new pull request. Now it will automatically show that where it is going. This is to address. This is from address. This is to address from address. Base fork is my. Head fork is yours. Okay. So now you can see that what are the changes that you did. Okay, and you say, okay, very good. Now can I honestly ask Sriram sir to take it? So you create a pull request. You can put your comments and create a pull request.
And you can leave remarks.
That's it. Okay, so your pull request, once it is done, you copy this pull request to me. Okay, it's like pull request one. Okay, and you give it to me. If you give that pull request to me, so now if you see that the pull request is on my name, Sangajala. Okay, so otherwise if I go just refresh also I will get. Okay, that's fine. So now what are the pull requests that Raj had sent? I can see this.
Okay.
Okay, click on this. Now I can see whether Raj's work is good or not. Okay, so now I can take a decision. Close a pull request. I don't worry. I don't care about whatever you're doing.
But so close is cancel it.
Cancel it.
But where do you see it, sir? Where are the changes here?
I can see. See.
Oh, I did a feature. Oh, perfect. Okay, that's fine.
I can see. So this is the difference between my code and your code.
Wow.
Okay.
So it clearly shows like what it was, what is actually in GitHub and what you have changed.
Okay. I said get lost.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Okay, and comment it.
How will it come? So I'll get request here.
You already got.
Okay, I don't need
Wow.
to refresh it also.
That's so
nice.
quick, yeah.
And then close pull.
Then
Close
you
means
can
cancel.
you can put one more comment. Sir, please, sir, please. Okay, you can put it. Okay, I got it. Sir, please. Okay. Now I can either merge pull request. I can confirm the merge. So I'm happy with you because you are pleasingly asking me. Okay. Okay.
Okay, have picture as well here. So this is you and this is me.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay.
It's funny.
You got a nice thing.
It's
okay?
like a one kind of like communication.
Yeah, communication.
You can
that's it.
message.
See, and your feature is now merged into my feature. Okay. Now, okay. So after that, again, so now because the features are merged, you people have to again. So whenever you pull, actually, whenever you're pulling it in the code, it will be pulled from my code. Okay, so once you done that, then again next whenever you go to before going to IntelliJ, make sure that you pull. See, this pull is not only your pull; it's my pull also.
So that means whatever change.
Yeah, if you put a request, if you approved, but if he pull, he will get your changes directly.
Yeah, I mean like whatever we.
Yeah, but thing is you haven't approved them, right? So how will they?
Whatever the approved only.
Whatever approved will come.
I mean like whatever he's doing correction. We need to take that actually. And for
so
that
the
we need
approved
to
ones
pull.
will come. That's it. The
Yes.
approved ones will come. That's fine. Okay.
Okay. For an example, if I tell 10, and then if I syntax clear or wrong, okay, but I will do this for you. If I put this put like 10, and then I need to.
So when the this GitHub and the source tree is open, all the changes get the coming straight in the source tree. Yeah, whatever you do on your ID.
Yeah, it will come because source tree is like you can see what is happening actually. Okay, I will tell about the Intel inbuilt thing, but it is very good that you know if you are working on source tree. Okay, it's not coming up. I did open the right one.
So do you always sign in your source tree before you start IntelliJ?
Yeah.
No, source tree is different to IntelliJ because IntelliJ version is different. You don't need source tree for that.
Okay, so now I will do one change and see how it reflects back to him because whenever he pulled it, okay, that's the last step I will show you. Okay, for an example, I uncommented this feature. Okay, it came here. Okay, did this. I committed code. I'll commit it. Okay, now you I did not pull it, right? See, I'm an idiot. I also pull because the things are merged. I need to pull it and I need to commit it,
so
right?
So you'll get mine also.
Yeah, that's fine. It will be. I will merge it. It will be automatically merged. That's fine. Okay. Okay. Once it is done. Perfect. Okay. Now you just refresh your son, not my son, your son. Maybe where is your home? This is my home. So I just did 16
Click
seconds.
on here.
Click on your repository. It's like go to.
Oh, it's here, right? No?
Yeah, go to your code. Go to home page. That's fine. Okay, and go to your son. This son. Okay, so see that. Okay, so because you need to now, you have to um, pull actually. Okay, so what you have to do is, because I did this change, which is the change. The change is
Yeah.
what is my change? I did.
But how will you know that you have made change, and would there be anything showing up here?
Just a second. See, this is my branch. Okay, so this merge. Okay, so if you refresh this, okay, this is your repository, right? So the branch is 3 commits. So now you have to no, okay, you need to pull it somehow so that it will come to your repository, because you need to get it right. So somebody else pulled. So you first pulls forked. Okay, so you need to get the forked code, right? Just give me 1 minute. It should actually come. Let me see if we can pull. If it gets back, pull. Okay, so where is the master? This have not yet come. Okay, my changes should come to your changes, right? Let me Google it. It's like how, how to get how to update fork changes. How to fork changes. Something a fork. Using an upstream project. Okay. So upstream. So it's like master will lock upstream. Check out the master. Upstream actually brings. Okay. So this is a command which is nothing but update master. There is something called update master you need to do. Fork contributor is okay. So in your repository there is something called fetch. Let us see fetch from all remotes. I think that's fine. Okay, if you fetch it, fetch and store all local, fetch from all remotes. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my changes to come here. File status, master, checkout master. Okay, so command line. Push the merge to get it.
Oh, there's one it updated, sir. There was
No.
one refresh here, no?
No. My thing is. Oh, so what did it do? What the change I did? Let me check.
I think in the whole scenario.
Uncommented it, right?
Yeah.
So prod dot feature.
Why is there 2 yellows in there? Let me change.
Those are from previously older.
Okay, so product. Yeah, this is not yet updated. This is what we need to update. Okay, so give me 1 minute. So I think you need to do a hard pull or something like that.
It was in mine.
How to
That's yours.
The change was in mine,
merge.
not in product one.
For
The change was
Oh,
for the
here,
second.
so-
Yeah, no, the go top. Sir did on the second. No. He did somewhere here.
Yeah,
the change
okay.
with this one.
no. I did this one.
In the product one.
Yeah, I did the product. I'll just give me 1 minute. I'll just try to get. There's an option when I get her. Audio repository as a new repo. That's called merge. The owner of the original repository can add your repository as a new repository, fetch your changes, and merge your development. Not necessary for your master bench to fully update it, although it is extremely helpful, especially in merging the role bunches. First, you should master bench for repository up to date. remote add upstream, checkout master, fetch upstream. Okay, then rebase or merge your development, branch into the master branch. Okay, rebase. So that is I think that's not show in Power terminal. Repository, branch, merge, rebase, refresh remote status, edit, and it is need to fetch. You should be able to do in the web also. That's what I think. I think there is some option here. Code, which is this. Download, upload files, new files, find files, commits. But it is not showing my commit for the latest thing I did, right?
But if I pull this one, then it will show.
If you pull again.
Yeah, then it will show.
Yeah, you need to pull it again, but I don't want to do it with that. Maybe if you go to my Sangajala Sun, I got the latest changes. So you watch contributor pull request. If you fork it again.
Isn't it the right way if you pull again?
Yes, okay, pull request. So the branch is 3 commits behind. Okay, pull request. No, I was a little bit confused because after doing this, no description outside branches. So this is my Sangajala one. If you fork it again, it's getting it, but it's not getting the changes. Why? Release branch contributor.
Are changes saved, sir?
Yeah, it is there. Issues gist. Think you need to update. There's some option I think these guys are telling, but I'm not able to understand. Maybe in merge merge master.
Or do you need to update any setting in the settings? Any click on anything in settings?
Merge master into fork. That's what I did. Okay. We can do from source tree. Let us see. In source tree, I think we can do update. I think this should one option called update. Merge is there. Okay. Checkout branch get merge uses merge. What is merge? Get merge is putting a fork history back together again. This should be some option called merge. Let's see, merge. Please select a commit. See, so step and stop. Create a branch and make a change. Okay, so now uncommitted changes. Discard file status, wish list, branches. Click on OK. Push your changes to bucket. We're done. We need to rebase it somewhere. Checkout. Checkout existing for new branch. I think I will come back to you. Somehow there should be something called patch and stage from the index reset commit repository branch merge we can try. Okay, let's see if we can complete this. Okay, just leave that. Okay, so we did it 80% where you will put a pull request. I will do it. Okay, after that, ideally, what you people have to do is again Now go back to my, I mean, like workaround is go back to my thing, okay, and fork it again. Your branch is 3 comments behind master. Okay, so create new pull request. So I think you can create one more pull request. Okay, from base Raj to master. Okay, no. Okay, just one second. I'll tell you. Okay, from base to from SN Nidala to this one. Compare the cross course. Okay, we got this. So compare the cross course. Okay, we did this. Switch to comparison. So something to compare. Okay, alright, something to compare. Yes. See, this is now coming up. Okay. Get a pull request. Okay, let us say I think I got it. I will do it again. Okay. Now if you see your pull request, refresh this. Oh, I think you need to create one more pull request to me that you want to merge yourself. Okay.
But how will I know, sir, that you have changed it?
You need to compare. It's getting little bit pain, isn't it? Branches. Change default branch. Pull request. 30 seconds ago. It's a pull request. Okay, that's fine. And then you can do a merge pull request. Okay, now I think it will be updated. Okay, so I think I got a solution. So it's like once everything is there, you need to create a self pull request. Okay, which is like from my thing to this. Create a pull request. Okay, and then you need to merge, self merge. It is like, so no need to do anything. So once you create a pull request, once
but how
I
will I know
upload it,
that you changed it, sir?
you just see go to your you will come to know. You need to where is your thing? Okay, so now go here, create new pull request. Automatically you can see that there is some changes. Okay, so now because it is nothing there, it's not showing, but it automatically will show. I'll come back to that. Okay, leave it like that. I'll come back. I'll be more clear. Okay, that's fine. So that is about GitHub. What next? These are topics. GitHub. Okay.
So what kind of
Page
interview
factory.
questions are about the GitHub? I mean, like, I'm sure if we said we are committing or we are passing our team lead.
I think you last year who will commit the
Not
code
team
and
lead.
then how do you do it?
Is the team lead?
Manager.
Yeah,
Who will
because team lead or
If you are committing, then you are team
no,
lead.
you're not committing yourself. Obviously, you need to.
You have development manager actually who will like approve it.
Okay.
Okay, so normally you say that in my office, simple. I will write the code. I will clone the code.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'll clone it, and I'll write the code, and I will commit it to my fork, and I will create a pull request, and my development manager will merge it.
So,
So when you say clone the code, is fork the code, right? First.
Yes, you fork and clone. Yes.
No.
It's okay. I'll put
making
like.
a copy at our side.
Okay, you first. I'll tell you. You'll get a URL. You fork it. You clone it to local. Okay. Do
that
changes.
Means you're fetching the data from.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and then you do a pull.
Create a pull request. Okay.
Yeah.
Pull.
Then fork, and then clone. Yeah.
That's just on the front.
Okay. Hello. Cheppu. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Keys. Okay. So pull from source tree. Okay, and then commit it. I'm sending this. Okay. Anyway. And then you push. Okay, and then you create pull request. Okay, and your development manager will approve pull request, merge pull request. Okay.
Because if we are using this kind of words, then they know that we are
And
actually
if
doing
it is Agile world, can we use manager word or we need to say Scrum?
It depends on
Yeah,
company
it's
to
a development
company,
manager, right? It's like we are trying development lead or development manager. At that point, whoever you remember, just put his name. Okay, that's fine. But don't tell Scrum Master and all, because Sar said to remember one person. I remember Scrum Master. Okay, so Scrum Master nothing to do with the code and all. Okay. Anyway, so that's done. That's done. So there are a couple of other things. Like continue Jenkins, big thing. Okay.
So Jenkins, you
Do
asked
Jenkins
us to
and
download as well before when you were showing something and then
yeah. Yes, but I think you no need to worry about Jenkins right now because I will show you how to do it. Okay, so we will do it in one cloud-based system because local machine. If you do, I don't think so. It's you need to do a lot of configurations and all. Okay, so I will show you how to do it and I will show how to run it and give access to you all. You no need to go and create a Jenkins job.
So it's the same thing what when we join any company, same thing we do. Like we don't do like
You won't do. They will ask you in interview, but
few
you won't do
questions.
it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
అయిపోయిందా చూసావా
అయిపోయింది సార్ ఏముంది సార్ అలా చేపలు గుర్రం నీటి గుర్రాలు తావేళ్ళు మొసళ్ళు
డైనోసార్స్ ఉంటాయి అనుకున్నావు ఏంటి
ఒక లెవెల్లో ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశాను సార్
ఓకే ఒక్క హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్లో నేను వస్తాను ఓకే నువ్వు రిలాక్స్ అవ్వు
మేడం లేరా
మేడం రిలాక్స్ అవుతున్నారు ఓకే okay so yes guys so this is Cloudbase which is a keys అంటే ఉన్నాయి సూర్య ఆ పైన ఉంటాయి చూడు కీస్ అందులో okay so I will give you access and all don't worry basically this is Jenkins portal over the cloud which has Sauce Labs also okay we will cover two big topics now okay Cloudbase okay so it's like a Jenkins in your company you will have a local Jenkins normally see this like in my company I'll have a local Jenkins okay but we are not in one company we are not able to have a dedicated Jenkins what you call
sir you're recording everything right
yes
yeah.
Okay this is the Jenkins for my company okay but in your company you will have your own Jenkins okay, ideally why is Jenkins used tell me
Jenkins is to create a web so that when a developer pushes the code there will be a smoke test pack that will test the code and then assess it whether it's
okay basically we need to run our automation scripts somewhere outside the world right
Yes.
that's the main thing okay and smoke test and all that is how the process is I'm not talking about the process I'm just like the coming to actually it's like we need to run our job not in a machine we need to run in the cloud outside the world okay so
would the Jenkins be hooked to the GitHub because our code is in the GitHub
yes
right?
Yes
yeah there has to be because from here it has to be linked so Jenkins okay it's like a middleman Jenkins
yes
and creates a framework or an area wherein the testing can take place
yes
okay nice.
Okay so now I will it's not okay let me go out and log in as a different user maybe see if I can sign up because things
so this Cloudbase is local Jenkins is it?
Yeah let's get this
so every company has their own Jenkins login.
Yeah, every company will have your own Jenkins. Okay, so I'll just tell about
That's
Jenkins.
not the free source. Yeah. Jenkins.
It is a free source, but your development manager, development people will do it. Okay, so I will just use my, because I got one account, but which was got.
For this also we need our own login.
Yes, I will give my login to you. Okay.
If they are doing automation.
Okay, so we are doing from scratch. Okay, so this is very important. Domain account. Okay. So this email is already taken. Okay, so I need to log out from this email. Just give me a moment, because you know the problem is I have 2 to 3 accounts. Normally I need to log out, sign out. Okay, so sign up with people. I'll be a little bit fast because there's nothing to explain here. I don't think I'm missing something. Okay, because we need to buy minutes and all. Okay, yeah. See, now my minutes are over. Logged out that also.
Oh, we need to buy minutes. Huh?
Yeah, I think they'll give some free minutes.
Okay.
But if it is done, if it is gone, then we need to buy. Okay.
Wow.
Otherwise,
It is
why would it
paid
be free?
service. It is not open source then.
Cloudbase is not open source. Okay, so it's not open source, but still, because there is no other alternative, because in our company we are all, if we are all in one internet, then we can create it, but we are not in
The
internet.
movie is free, but you need to pay for the snacks.
Yeah, it's like that. Okay, so I will use one more account, which is my wife's account, and see if that works.
It's just for interview purposes. Are you showing? We won't need to do it.
You need to go and run the scripts and see the results here only. From here onwards, because we are all working in GitHub. So I'm setting up one premise Jenkins account. So creating it.
So if you every time you sign in, you do get the free space or free time. Every time with a new sign in, if you do that, you do get free time, isn't it? Every
Free minutes.
Yeah,
free minutes. With a new account.
With a new account. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, so you want? Okay, no. You can't
One
do
by
that.
one. We can rotate that ID.
సురేష్ గారు వచ్చారా? వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడే వచ్చారు. హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఇవ్వండి. మాకు కూడా.
Sir, no weekend.
Today I said my wife is fully busy because got a lot of work.
She wanted to go somewhere shopping or something. She was saying.
Yeah, she wanted to go, but I said
Asda or something.
maybe she will go to Asda because she got license, she got car, she got everything, she got bus, she got money.
But she want to go as a family.
Yeah.
That is sad. He has to clone himself.
Okay, I will do something which is very guys.
So you don't have minutes, sir, isn't it?
Yeah, my minutes are gone, and now Jenkins hosting available tech. I can increase the cost.
You want to use my account, sir? And see.
But nowadays, now they're not taking the new things actually.
Oh,
Is that?
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise everybody will be creating new accounts.
Yeah, that's what I just did, and it was previously it was allowing. Now it is not allowing. Let's see if I
So do
can
you
get
get on
something.
Amazon those things?
Yeah, Amazon is there. Let us see if I can do something here. New virtual machine. Okay, my Jenkins, I did something. Okay, see if it works. Estimated monthly account. Sign out.
Usually the company pays for this, right? Obviously.
Yeah.
It's the same thing as GitHub. Will we just add? They'll be adding the
Okay, so let me show you locally, guys. Okay, I think locally I'll show you. Okay, so sorry, cloud is not there. If I got something, I'll let you know. But we can. I'll show how to do it locally. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
Okay.
so when you say cloud-based, so it's using a remote WebDriver, sir? Is it like that?
But here also we will use remote.
Oh, here also you do.
Okay, so okay, we got this WAR file. Or why is WAR file? So just download and complete. It was there some time back, but I was because of overloaded. I was.
So Rakesh sir was saying that he normally, when he does Jenkins, he does it on the server, and then you can't. He was saying that he can't use any IDEs or anything, so he just use a normal WordPad and then writes the code and everything.
Okay, so okay, students. Okay, I'll do locally. Wait. Okay. So WAR file which I got downloaded. CD, what is this? CD students. Okay. So I'll just copy this. Some okay, students. Copy this WAR file here. That's it. So Java jar Jenkins WAR file. Okay, so we need to have WAR file. Okay, localhost 8080. Okay, that's it. Go to localhost. Okay. Jenkins is a local Jenkins. Okay. You can do the same thing in 1000 ways. Okay, so this is the last way. I'll try to get a cloud thing, okay, because we all can have a single thing. But just for today, I will show this, okay. And parallelly, let me see what is this girl writing. Is this the code, right? Okay, so why is there a lot of things? Is this the latest code or not?
Yeah, but the few of them is like unable to run. 2 of them is unable to run, and 2 of them is because of bug. I cannot find the element.
Okay.
Or else run mine, sir. Everything is running, right? So
too late. You already completed.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, so little bit late. Okay. Okay, now Jenkins is ready. So now what we have to do, concept is simple. We have our code in GitHub. We have our and we need to right now we need to pull the code from GitHub and run them in Jenkins. So normally Jenkins will be in somewhere in some XYZ server. Okay, give pen and paper. Okay, so normally what happens, you have your Jenkins here, okay, and you have a GitHub here where you have your source, okay, and you have your virtual machine which is nothing but your grid, Selenium grid, okay, and you have Jenkins have Java installed. It should have Maven installed, right? It should run to run. So normally what we do is and it also should have reports. It should take the code here, put it into your Java, run your Selenium client. So it's like Selenium client, right? Selenium client is nothing but where you have write your code and you put your APIs and everything. Now, if you run the code here in Jenkins, it should talk to the virtual machine, which is nothing but Selenium grid, and run your automation code on the browser. So typically, this will open a browser, right? It run your browser and get back the results, and that results will be shown in the reports. Is what Jenkins is about, right?
Okay, so when you install Jenkins, you make sure that you give Java path and then Maven path.
Yeah.
And then for reports, what do you do?
As well.
Report, we need to download a plugin.
Oh yes, you said that the videos. Yes.
Okay. So now let me see if we can switch on the light. Okay. So I'm just trying to see if we got Java, add list of Java installs on the system. So I mean, we don't need to explicitly into it, but that's fine. This way. One more, this one. Okay. So basically, this is what we need to do. Okay. So basically, we need to check if we have got all the plugins. So this is why I was a little bit keen on having existing one. Okay. Anyway, first of all, we need to install GitHub. Okay. So we need to search for GitHub. Okay. Not authentication plugin. It's like normal GitHub. GitHub plugin. Okay. One. What else we need to do? We need reports, right? Reports. Just type Cucumber. Okay. We have got Cucumber.
So like what we do in IntelliJ as well, like we can do this as
There's a lot of jar files, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. So install without restart.
But how about Maven plugins?
Maven, I think it's by default.
Okay.
It's
Java?
Java is also there. If not, then we'll come back. Okay. You guys, it's like you have to don't think that you will do it in your company, but record this in your mind and tell that in interview that this is what you did. Okay. So don't try to see in the home. Don't try to do in the home. If you can do, that's fine. If it's not working, don't worry. But what are you seeing here? Record in your mind, and in the interview, somebody asks about, tell me what do you know about continuous integration or Jenkins or whatever it is. Then talk about all these things. Okay.
It's still recording, right, sir? Video?
Yeah. Yes, recording. Okay. So first of all, we need to create a job. So now we are creating Sun regulation pack. Okay. Create Maven project. Click on OK. It's a Maven project type. So okay.
Yeah.
Click on OK. So now you people tell me what I need to do. What are the steps I need to do? First of all, I need to.
You need to open that project.
Yeah, we need to get the code from GitHub. Okay. So I need to give a GitHub repository URL here. Okay. I think I have a little bit authentication.
So and this URL will be this master branch URL.
Yes. Yes. The main URL. Okay.
Or if I'm running from mine, I can use my URL. Because it's the same thing.
Give your URL here. But anyway, I will give mine because it's the main thing, right? But you know the problem is I have this two code authentication. It is a bit complicated. Not to Venus, right? It's Sun, right? Mine is little bit complicated because I have two-factor authentication. I don't know how it will take. Let's see if it can take. Add. Yeah, let's see if we can add this. edits master. So the master branch is master. Okay, and when it have to run, that is the thing, right? When the job should be run. Okay, so
Installed.
where the Maven is installed. Okay, so I'll just apply for a moment and then go into system configuration, and that's what Maven is not properly configured. It is there, okay, but it's not configured. So Jenkins Maven. Okay, and we will put this minus. Okay, use default Maven. Use default Maven settings and file system. Okay, so Maven configuration. Settings provider. Why is asking for this?
Do we have to give that M2?
Default Maven settings.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like just navigation is easy. Just go into that. Go to this. You just need to know where your Maven is installed.
That M2 path maybe?
Yeah. Maven installation. Yes, this
It
one.
will not fold in Mac, because in Windows, when you say Maven in the command prompt, the file will open, right?
Yeah.
In this one, there's no opening. It won't open as such, because when I download it, it's already open, and then you put it to the folder.
So by default it is there.
Yeah, it's there. So it won't run something like that.
Okay, let's see if we can get it through. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So pom.xml. So ideally, so from this repository, once it is downloaded, so where is the pom.xml? Pom.xml should be normally we know that it should be in the base first folder, right? So this is okay. What is the goal? What is the Maven? Because it's like we need to run in from Maven, right?
Yes, sir, yeah.
Okay, it's like Maven test. Remember, I said Maven test, Maven clean. So we are doing Maven test here. Okay, save it and now we run it. Build now. So simple.
What is Maven test, Maven clean?
The Maven, that's a Maven lifecycle. If you remember in the class I said. To run in command line, we need to use Maven, right?
Oh, yes.
We need to configure,
Yes, Maven test.
See that now it is getting the code. So now it is doing this task, first task. Okay, but I think I got a doubt whether if it will compile the cucumber options or not. Okay, Maven clean test, executing Maven, doing this. Okay, see, this is all Maven. So it's like now it went to command prompt, trying to download the sources. Okay, it's doing run test. That's it. You see that? Browser is open. Tests are running.
Oh, so it didn't ask for the double authentication. It override it, isn't it?
It had taken from a local .ssh file.
Oh, okay.
But
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, this one it's like .id file will be there. Yeah. So anyway, so now it is running all the tests that you mentioned in your run test. Okay. So and you can see that the text execution is it's not in IntelliJ. That's the first thing. It's not running from IntelliJ now. Okay, it's running from
outside.
outside. That is the big yeah. See. Perfect. Done.
Wow.
Success.
So you said Maven test, right? Maven clean.
Maven clean test.
Maven clean test.
Okay, so now you can see that this is not the correct results, but I will show you the cucumber reports. Did we configure cucumber reports? Not yet. So we did this job. We did this, we did this, we did this, but we haven't done that.
Yeah.
It hasn't been configured yet. So you did download the plugins, isn't it?
Yeah, we downloaded, but we haven't set it properly. Okay. So I'm just going to configure.
Is a phone? Whose phone is it? Oh.
What happened to this? there. Okay, so now, so okay, so it's like post. So after running your build, what we have to do? So it's like post build step, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll check for the reports and stuff.
Yeah. So this is where you can see that publish Cucumber test reports is there. Okay. Provided we need to show where is our JSON file, right? So the JSON file folder we need to show. So normally it will be once you completed your folder. See if you see this, your target, you will have this whisper.report.json, right?
Yes.
This is what we need to give. Okay. So we need to rename it. Okay. Go to your Jenkins.
How do you select the path, sir? Just right click it.
Whisper.json. Okay. Why is not shown? See, it will when parallel it will search. Okay, let us see in the workspace where it is in this page. So workspace target is the thing, right? Okay, so we will. This is a JSON. This is a JSON. So it ideally that particular configuration need a JSON. Okay, so ideally this need this. So add post build publish Cucumber report, and it is asking for this. Do not match anything. JSON Cucumber JSON file. Crap, this is what I'm looking for, right? This is HTML report, that's fine, but this is whisper JSON. Why it is not finding this? Let's see if doesn't know, but it does. Perhaps that's what you mean. Yes, that's what I mean. So we need to put this. See, it's bit friendly, how much friendly it is. See, if there's no error message, means that particular stuff is okay. Okay, now I cleaned it. I went here. So it's how to run this. Like click on build now. That's it. Okay. Click on this. So it start building.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So once it is running.
So how to integrate TestNG into this one, sir? No, we can't.
Complete out of topic.
Okay. So we can't get that nice pie chart and all. So how to get that?
No, pie chart will get here also.
Oh, here also. Okay.
Yeah. You are.
There's a report.
Yeah, we'll get this report now. Let us complete it.
Yeah,
That's the Cucumber report, isn't it?
Which one? Pie
That's-
chart.
That is Cucumber report, right?
Cucumber report we get.
Yeah, this is Cucumber report, but pie chart is not Cucumber report. It's TestNG report. We don't get pie chart into Cucumber, right?
I don't remember, but let's see. Let's complete it. Because the job is running beautifully. Okay. Meanwhile, because you people are asking, I'll show you what is happening in my company. Okay. We can take this into big level. Okay. We just do basic. So if I go to my company, email that is completed, so what we will do. Okay. So example, take ECM regression test. So see that. Can you see a common thing happening? What is that?
Oh, running at 9:27.
Every day morning it runs at 9:97.
So like you go first and you do report as soon as.
Will I exactly go 9:27 every day?
No, it runs automatically.
Yeah, automatically that particular time it
But
runs.
these need minutes, right, sir? Because this thing is running remotely.
No, this not see remote. That is required when you are actually running in minutes is when you're running in source labs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
But these are not running locally, right? These are all remotely, definitely. Yeah.
They're running in a different container. It's a bit complicated, but they're running in a container.
Oh, is that the server?
Yeah.
Oh, probably that's the server Rakesh sir was mentioning about.
Yeah, it's a container. So this is a container which actually runs slave for running behat tests. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that will be run. That will be running periodically. Okay. Periodically. Okay. See, normally, now if you see this properly, this is the typical thing which we can improvise. So I can send the tags from here into the code.
Wow. Straight away. So you don't have to go physically and get
Yes.
to it.
Nothing to do with the code. And I can
What tags are what are what
Tags
tags,
which we give in
cucumber
scenarios.
tags.
Straight away we can run. So we can
which
give
is the one
tags
that you
here.
want?
Yeah, and then we can start.
Yeah, but how do
run
you set it
from the
for the
tags.
entire week? If you were to give, can you do it like that? You want one tag to run one day, second day, third day?
No.
Huh.
Yeah, you see here. See, if you build a parameter, so it will ask you what tag you want to run. See.
Okay. Oh, this is like continuous. Okay, for all these, you run the same tag.
Yeah, every day. So for smoke test, if you see for smoke test, I dedicate my smoke test to one tag.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. So and this is smoke tag, and this is regression tag. Okay. But if you want to run a specific example, they build a specific payments application, a payment change. I want to only run payment regression test. Then I will go to build with parameters. It will ask, okay, tell me what you want to run. See, if you see there, it's a payment. If I click on payment, and now it will ask me what environment is CI or test or pre-prod or prod. I said CI or test.
CI, what is CI?
It's
So
continuous
continuous
integration.
It will ask me what browser.
Oh wow! So you
Is it,
can run in all the browsers as well.
Sir, I have
See,
one doubt.
it will ask for
Yes.
language also.
For example,
So,
if
and
you are updating,
Really?
Yeah, it will ask French or English or because my application, my mobile application supports 3 languages.
Okay, so
Okay.
all the options you
sir,
will
if
get
you are
here.
updating your smoke pack regularly every day,
Yeah.
would it take that
Updated one.
updated?
Yeah, it will always take the GitHub's latest one. That's what we are putting in GitHub, right?
Yeah.
We'll take the latest one.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, so see the configuration. So see, this is all happening because of the configuration, a beautiful configuration I did. But the basic configuration is which I shown you. The additional things which I did not show you is how to set this tags parameter, how to set the CI parameter, how to set the browser. This is what cross browser means. Now the browser, I cannot run without specifying a browser. Means my automation code is a browser independent thing, right? Okay. Okay.
Sir, those tags, would they be updated regularly whenever you are adding new scenarios to your...
No, I need to manually go and add it.
Oh, you need to manually.
Yeah,
Okay.
it won't filter
Where
it
he
out.
selected
Yeah.
browser
Okay.
and language and over there.
So that is all happening because see that there's something called cucumber options. If you see this,
That's the report one.
so it all not only report. We can send the cucumber options through command line also. Okay, and we can specify the tags through command line also. Okay, so this is, if you understand this line, you will understand whole automation. Okay, this is the line which is making the trick. If you see this, so the tags I am sending through a tags. This is an option called tags which I need to give in cucumber options. Example, see, you people are running from a run file, but I'm not running from a run file. I'm running from a different thing. So it is like creating a run file on the go. Because if you see in your code, you have a run file, right, where you give the options. But I'm giving that outside the framework so that I have a flexibility. Okay. Apart from that, see that I'm giving the platform, language, browser. It is like this. So this is the cucumber options till double quotes. After this, remaining all are I'm sending as a runtime parameter. There's system parameters. Means I'm sending this out from outside the framework. I'm sending into the code so that code will read that and it will take. Okay.
In code, if we have mentioned Firefox, and from this console, if you are selecting Safari or any other browser, so will it override that?
Yes, it will override it. Now it will override it. Okay. So let me see. That is the thing. And apart from that, this is the JSON report. I mean, like Cucumber. Okay, and the email and all is basic. I think you people can configure that. That's not a big thing. I think your test is completed. Let us see if I get Cucumber test results. See, this is your tags, right? Oh, okay. So this is the way we got. Okay, but why we not get that other thing? Cucumber master thoughts reports. So we got this one report. Okay, one kind of report, and this is the history. But I think the final thing that I will show you is that how to get that other reports, big reports, because there are a lot of reports. Okay, so I think we installed the wrong report.
The one which you have shown us in the class.
Yeah. So normally, if you want to add a new plugin, it's like iPhone only. If you want to add a new app, you need to go to Jenkins, manage Jenkins, and then go to manage plugins. It's like just like Android and iPhone. Okay, so I got available apps available, and again search for Cucumber. I think previously I did a mistake. Okay. Okay. Cucumber JVM reports. Maybe that one. Okay, let us see. We will uncheck all the Cucumber. Oh no, what happened? Okay, just a second. Manage plugins available. Okay. Okay, this don't worry about that. Okay, I think that's got installed. Okay, let us see if that is the installed thing. Okay, installed Cucumber JVM reports. Okay, it's there. I think it got installed also. So let's run it now. So how to run is go to that job, click on build now. That's it. Okay, so it will start. Now it is not asking for any parameters because we never made it a parameterized thing. But in my project, when I click on build here, what it is showing is asking for build with parameters, right? It's asking some questions here. Without that, it will never build. Okay.
So parameterization is all JUnit, is it? JUnit parameterization.
No, that is different. This is different. This is like parameterizing the framework. That is parameterizing the variables.
Okay. But normally in Java, when you say parameterization, it's done by JUnit, right? Or are there different type of parameterization?
Parameterization is done by Cucumber in your context. It's like sending data. That's called parameterization. Yeah, JUnit parameterization is very complex. It's like different thing. But whenever somebody asks about parameterization, think that it is like a sending data from Cucumber feature files. Okay, guys. I think once it's done, I think the other gentleman is waiting for me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll call for the day.
So one last question. The one which you corrected in the email in my framework, you did few changes, utils and utils, and then I don't know, in bracket 3 and another one is 1. I didn't understand what changes actually you done in that class, utils class, common utils class. You call that as a method, common utils, you used it, but I don't know what you have done changes in there. So it runs successfully, but I don't know what you've done inside.
Do you remember the method they changed? No?
No.
Because even I don't remember.
I know because I have commented, said I need to ask.
It's a very old version, right? This one.
Yeah, I need to update, but I don't know why I would not have it. I'll update it. Okay, I think this is done. Let us see if I get beautiful reports. Where's my beautiful reports? I haven't got yet. Cucumber test results. Come on, guys. Where is my beautiful reports?
These are the.
There will be bar charts, is it? Bar graphs.
Okay, I will do it and I'll send it later. Okay.
But I doubt that you get the pie charts. It's only possible by test NG, right?
So please send us, the video if it's recorded already.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
Yeah, put the links, sir. Yeah, even the previous one also.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have everything. Snag it. I will do it. Okay, so Cucumber, master thoughts Cucumber. Okay, so this is the report that normally you will get, which I'm expecting.
Wow.
Yeah, you will get this.
Okay, this is just Cucumber
This is the
itself.
one Sir has shown, I think.
So why would they say test NG reports are the most beautiful?
Yeah, no. Because they don't know about this.
Okay.
You don't know about this.
Yeah.
It's just like Mac, isn't it?
So why do you need to learn test engine?
Detailed install configuration. So yeah, I think this is install Cucumber reports. Restart get Jenkins install Cucumber JVM reports. I think yeah, this is what, right? We did Cucumber JVM reports. Cucumber JVM. That's what we did, right? It's not coming up. Cucumber JVM reports. Cucumber JVM reports. Where is? We did not add that in the pre-build step. Yes, I know.
Okay.
We did not add that. Okay, give me 1 minute. Meanwhile, did you remember the code?
Tell me one thing, sir. In this all the stuff that we have done till now, is the test engine involved in any way?
No.
It's not. Okay, it's not
This
involved. That's fine.
common UTS, the void search
That
one,
means you can forget
and
about
then
extension.
select stock quantity. Check
Mhm.
error
Okay,
message.
okay.
It's crazy.
This
They
all
still
these
change
two I
something
know
different than
is
before,
also
but
true.
we are
This
doing
three, but this
Those
one
are all unit testing.
sleep two common UTLs.
unit
two-
testing.
It's like waiting for
But
2
we are
seconds. That's
telling
it.
about test
Oh,
engine
okay,
when
okay.
we are talking
I
about
didn't understand what is
know
that.
that.
I tried to look in here as well, but I didn't understand.
No, we got this. Yes, this is what I'm looking for.
Oh.
You will get it. Now, once I run it, you need to run it again, right? Because you don't understand what I'm telling. Next time you will
There's
get.
a sign over there now.
Yeah, you will get now. Let it complete. Okay. Yes. And what is the other question?
Where is it? Yeah. Common. This is what I was going to ask. First is a if trim stock.trim. What is
So if you
ignore
haven't
case?
given any input in your Cucumber feature file, means
Yeah.
you have given Andhra Pradesh, but you have not given the district, right?
Yes.
So means you just want to select only one.
Yeah.
Second one is blank. So
Yeah.
if I don't do this, it will go and search for the blank drop down value.
Okay, that's why my test is keep failing. Test
Yeah.
number 4.
Yes. If you do this, it will. If it's blank, it will ignore
So
it completely.
what did you do? What did you do?
This one. If state.trim. Trim is like just keep the line, you mean.
Show me a
Isn't
feature
it?
file. Show me a feature file. Please.
Like
There's something new.
this select stock quantity. This is I think -1.
No, show me feature file once. How does it look?
Right, this is the 4th one scenario. Actually, I did this, but I changed the whole scenario. It was scenario outline. What I did first one, press on to advanced search button.
But where is scenario outline
And-
examples?
What's this error?
No, it's good. I think there's some bug in this. That's fine. It normally get, but it's a bug. So normally you'll
Which
get
one
that
is
report.
it?
Okay.
Hold on.
I'm done.
Sir, send
Select
those
drop
videos, sir,
down,
please.
Stop recording.